Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to see your recent activity on Android phone. Wondering which app someone used on your phone? Well, here are the easy steps to see recent activity on an Android phone. Covers recent apps, app usage, and system activity. Menus may vary by device. First is to unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Privacy, then tap Permission Manager. Choose a permission like location, camera, or microphone. View which apps you recently accessed that permission. Then go back to Settings. Then tap Apps. Choose App Usage, Usage Access, or tap the screen time or digital well-being. View apps used today or this week. Then open recent apps by tapping the Overview button if there's any. Scroll down further through apps to see what was opened recently. Close apps or adjust permissions if needed. Tips: Digital well-being shows detailed app usage history. Google activity can be checked via Google account and data and privacy. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.